evening some friends are coming over and I planned something really special for them. So let's make thicha stuffed grilled paneer with orange sauce. How does it sound? I have some thicha prepared here. I'm going to stuff this in the middle. Marinate it for half an hour. Now we are going to grill it. You can see our paneer is ready. We'll add some orange juice to the pan and we let it reduce. Then I'm going to add cream and now we'll put some orange rind to it. Mix it in, pour it in the cup and keep it on the side. Now our veggies are washed. Let's chop them. The veggies are ready and now it's time to plate. And yummy orange sauce on the side. So now we are finally done, but we really can't keep the kitchen dirty, right? So let's clean up before everybody comes. And we are done. They've come. I gotta go. Bye. Maleko Kitchen Faucet by Kohler. Make everyday kitchen tasks less taxing.